I'm going to be testing out a new steel tongue drum today, and I just got this one. This is from Lekato. It's a new brand of tongue drum that I haven't worked with before, but I wanted to give a little demonstration of what this tongue drum is and what's included. So it comes with these mallets. These are rubber mallets, and it sounds like this when you play. A songbook, so it comes with a book on how to play different songs. These seem to be really nice for like intro level learning. Some additional stickers. The last thing that's in here are these pieces, and I like to use my pointer fingers, and then you can play with your fingers as well.